there lived a cute little girl named Daisy. Daisy had sparkling eyes and a heart full of curiosity. She loved exploring the meadows, chasing butterflies, and listening to the wind whisper secrets. One sunny morning, Daisy discovered a shiny seed near the old oak tree. It was unlike any seed she had seen before. It shimmered with a magical glow. Daisy decided to plant it in her garden. She dug a small hole, gently placed the seed, and whispered, "Grow, little seed, grow." Days passed, and Daisy watered the seed faithfully. To her surprise, it sprouted into a beautiful plant with leaves that sparkled like emeralds. The plant grew taller each day, reaching for the sky. One moonlit night, Daisy heard a soft voice. "Daisy," it said, "I am the spirit of the magic seed. You cared for me, and now I grant you a wish." Daisy thought hard. She could ask for toys or sweets, but her heart knew better. "I wish for kindness," she said. "I want everyone to be kind to each other." The spirit smiled. "Your wish is granted." From that day on, Daisy noticed a change in her village. The children smiled more, shared their food, and helped one another. The magic had spread like dandelion seeds in the wind. And so, Daisy learned that true magic lies not in sparkles or potions, but in the kindness we show to others. The village became a happier place, all because of a cute little girl named Daisy and her magical seed. So you know what? Kindness is the greatest magic of all.